How y'all doing? How's your mom and Neon? Bruh, it looks gross today. It might rain, but it's like 70, so it's cool. Anyway, I had some psycho behind me this morning at a close call. I couldn't really avoid it so much. Well, I mean, I could have, but like I would have been in a dangerous situation regardless. So it's... No, fuck you, light. I'm not stopping again. Let's get around the old broken mirror here. But yeah, so like dude in the Beamer comes up behind me and stops short of me by about a half car length and maintains that distance all the way across the dam. The plan was, since the travel lane, the right lane, was moving at 10 under the speed limit, I was gonna hop over, move up a couple car lengths, and merge back over. This dude was not having that. I was pinned. This bike only does 67 miles per hour. Oh, there goes the rain. I shouldn't have said anything. But it's okay. Just little baby sprinklets. But yeah, so like... like, the way people drive around here is fucking stupid. Like, look at this. This dude will, like, gun it to keep me from taking his terrible spot. Like, we're gonna get there at the same time, bro. There's no reason to be like that. But, back to my story. A guy in the Beamer tailgates me across this dam we're about to cross up here. It's part of my daily commute. It's never as bad as it was this morning. Hey, Goldwing. Hello, Goldwing. But yeah, like, so the guy in the Beamer, like, fucking tailgates me across the dam. It's not a huge deal. I'm used to being tailgated in slower speeds, but, like, it was also very stressful. I get to about 3/4 of the way across, and I see a gap, and I get over. And, like, he does, like, the little, like, twist your throttle thing at me. And I'm like, I just gesture broadly towards the fact that I am on a scooter. He like shakes his head, and then suddenly traffic hangs up in the left lane, and I scooch up. And as I scooch up, I've never seen anyone like rage out this hard over not being able to, like, I guess fuck with a woman by herself. But like as soon as he got clear and that SUV got out of his way, bro hit triple digits, weaving in and out of cars at, like, with no signal, just to beat me to my exit. That's crazy, man. Like, why are you doing yourself like this? It can't be good for your heart to constantly be mad and shit. I don't know, man. I've just been practicing letting shit go. Which, I mean, you know, riding a bike this size in the United States is an exercise in humbling yourself and constantly letting shit go, you know, because I can't catch any of these people. Like, I'm towards the top of my power band right now. Like, if I had a 300, it might be doable, but even then, like, they got a little bit of torque on me in them cars. Just saying. That's not even the point, though. Like I don't want to be one of those riders, like, that ends up on MotoStars or whatever, like, punching mirrors and shit, because they cut me off doing triple digit. No, man, fuck that. That is not why I ride. I ride because it's cheap and it's relaxed. Look at that. 95. Oh, fuck. Never mind. Ooh. It's relaxing, she said, and then she almost throttles into the back of a Jeep. But yeah, like, man, I don't ride to get mad at people. I don't ride for the adrenaline. I ride because it's nice and chill. I'm gonna pop over this way. But yeah, that's the thing, though. Like, I'm not riding for thrills. I'm not riding to be a badass. I'm riding because it's what I can afford. I'm living within my means. This is an economically feasible mode of transportation for me. Because, like, I can't afford to feed a car in this economy. Are you stupid? Full coverage on this thing's like $40. I could save by switching from Harley Davidson to, like, Dairyland, but it's not that pressing of an issue. Because, like, $40 is an amount of money in a month that I don't miss. Like, they decorated it. That's cool.
20 minutes later.
Good God, man. I hate rush hour. Oh, that's right. I gotta go get paint. Let me just... I forgot about the paint. Ah, smart car! See you, smart car. I love you, goober. Thinking about getting another dirt bike. Do that dual sport life again. Maybe make it into a supermoto. That'd be fun, right? That's like a way off in the future thing. Right now, I'm worried about this. My daily. If anything, if I were to like swing a couple $1,000s at something, it would probably be like a shitbox project. Like, I know I said earlier that I can't afford to own a car, but what I can do is buy a piece of shit for $1,200 and keep it limping along while it's insured on liability from the cheapest offering. And then just gradually put new stuff on it until it's basically, it's like a ship of Theseus, but with terrible cars from the early 2000s. Like, I've been thinking about it, like getting an old Town and Country or like a Taurus station wagon or something, you know, just so I had like a vehicle I can haul project stuff in. There's a craft store up here, and that is where I am headed. I'm picking up some acrylic paints. It'll be fun. You probably don't want to see that though. That's probably boring as shit. You came here to watch me almost die. Oh, I'm sorry. Am I supposed to say unalive? I forget what I fucking don't know what the meta is anymore. Fuck this game. Anyway, there's my craft store. I'll see you in a minute.
One eternity later.
I have gotten my things from you, Michaels. And now I'm gonna put them under my seat and be normal for a minute. Good job! Put it in upside down. That's on me. Look at me go. Oh, what is me doing shit upside down today? You know, when I was a kid, my mom would bring me to Michael's pretty much exclusive around Halloween, just so we could get like a pumpkin carving kit that didn't suck. And she had me fucking convinced that Michael Myers, the serial killer from Halloween, owned these stores. And I was like, what? She's like, yeah, it was from all the money he stole from the people he killed. Like, what an absolute fucking mental thing to say to a kid, right? Like, why would you do that? Away we go. Whoop. Wait, I need to go across. I'm a fishy. Alright, across I go. Whee! Shit. Okay, I'm alive. Like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe.